Hey guys, this is Crypto Investor. This is a market overview video. I'll try to make more of similar videos in the future where I'll be discussing the top coins that have made the biggest gains. So today is a special day for both Stellar Lumens, Ripple, and even Dogecoin holders, and Cardano as well. So in the past 24 hours, the Ripple has increased by 31.3%, Stellar Lumens 18%, Cardano 16%, and Dogecoin is also waking up, getting 16% gain in the past 24 hours, and IOTA as well 15.6% gain. So I'll be taking a look at all of them. I'll be doing chart analysis. Whenever you are comparing their gains, make sure to go to CoinMarketCap and then select BTC, because we want our coins to make higher gains than Bitcoin. And if the Bitcoin is going up and your favorite coin is not going as much, it is better to just hold Bitcoin. Why invest in an altcoin if they are not amplifying your gains, right? So the Ripple, in terms of BTC ratio, has gone up 31%, 18% Stellar, Cardano 16%, and Doge 16%. And this is great because we have been waiting for a proper altcoin season. And just day before yesterday, I accurately predicted that most of the altcoins are making bottoms, and this is where you start buying altcoins. And in the coming months or so, yes, there will be corrections, there will be big corrections, but overall I am expecting the trend to remain the same. The altcoins will make massive gains. Yes, the Bitcoin will go up, but the altcoins will be making massive gains. So this is the Ethereum chart, Ethereum USD chart, and yesterday I said that I'll be selling some of my Ethereum at around $550 because the money will be flowing from Ethereum to the other altcoins. And I mentioned Ripple, Litecoin, Stellar Lumens, and Ripple is just ripping today. Crazy stuff. 26% here as well. Okay, so Ethereum is going to face some resistance at around $550, and then I'm expecting the money to then I'm expecting Ethereum to slow down. Yes, it may still go up, but yes, but the most of the money will flow into other altcoins like Dash, and even Bitcoin Cash will pump. Yes, any major altcoin will pump, especially the ones listed on Coinbase. So yes, if your favorite major cap is there on Coinbase, the money is going to flow into it and it is going to pump. So yes, that's my outlook for the Ethereum. Let's take a look at Ripple USD real quick and look at that. Great, this is what I wanted to see. Proper altcoin season. This is a one-day chart from the Poloniex cryptocurrency exchange. It's looking fantastic. Let's take a look at the weekly chart to have a better idea where we are right now. So you can see that we have been able to clearly get out of this resistance area. This red cloud that you see here, this is called the Ichimoku what do you call this? Yes, Ichimoku indicator, Ichimoku cloud indicator. And this red cloud that you see here, this has been acting as resistance from the past, since January 1st 2018, I would say. This very thing has been acting as ever resistance. So we are out of the resistance zone, and this was very important because I'm pretty sure that we'll be closing above this cloud tomorrow is Sunday. So yes, this is a very bullish trend reversal for me. And if you switch to the monthly chart, you can see that we are already on the verge of closing above the monthly resistance, which is at around 38 cents. So if you hold a Ripple and if you want to buy back by selling now, yes, 38 cents would be a good area to enter because it is going to act as resistance, and there's a massive chance that we may correct to 38 cents before making another move to the upside. However, the trend is just getting started. If you take a look at the MACD, it is clear that we are just getting started, and once Ripple starts pumping, massive amount of money starts flowing into it. So yeah, I would not short Ripple because hey, I accumulated Ripple from I would say since July or September 2018, and I've been averaging in. And why would you sell at just 25% pump? After this, the next major resistance is at $1.17. So this is where you should start selling some of your Ripple, and heavy resistance at $1.75. So that's the area to look for. And coincidentally, this was also the area of resistance back in 2017, December 2017. You can see that here as well. So here right now in November 2020, yes, $1.74 is the area to look out for. And if you hold Stellar Lumen, STR USD is the pair on Poloniex. Other exchanges like to call it XLM. And these are all the lines that I've drawn in the previous videos, and you can clearly see that we have been able to fortunately close above this 0.96 cent range, which has acting as resistance. The next major resistance is at around 11 cents or so. So that's the next area to look for, and monthly resistance is at around 15 cents. So there's a lot of room to grow for the Stellar Lumens. Let's take a look at the weekly chart real quick. And this is beauty. This is one coin that has so much room for pump. The MACD looks super bullish. It has a bullish divergence here. RSI has a lot of room to grow. You can see that here as well. We are right here, and there's so much room to grow. And MACD is just getting started. So the pump is just getting started, and there's a bullish crossover of the Ichimoku moving averages. This blue line, whenever this blue line is about to cross above this red line, we see a good pump. You can see that in the past as well. This blue line starts getting above this red line, you see it pumped. Every time the blue line is about to cross above the red line, not here, but you can see that here as well, it pumped. So this is very bullish for Stellar Lumens. Stellar Lumens, I would say, looks better than Ripple. Right now it has just pumped 18%, a little much less than Ripple, but I think there is much more room for Stellar Lumens to grow because it is a smaller cap, and it ranks like 17th on CoinMarketCap. It's now 16, but yeah, you get the idea. So Stellar Lumens is looking fantastic. Let's take a look at the Xrp Btc pair. I should have discussed Xrp Btc before I moved to the XLM USD, but never mind. So this has been the accumulation zone. We went below it, but we are back in this zone now. So in terms of Xrp Btc, we are going to face some resistance at around 0.00002550, so 2500 sats. Some resistance here and some heavy resistance at 2800 sats. It is very important to enter this cloud and then accumulate for a couple of weeks or so before you break to the upside. So I'm looking forward to that, and yes, keep an eye on Xrp Btc pair, especially when it is at around 2500 sats or something. So this is the area to look for, and after that 2800 sats, and once we are able to close above this very level, I would be convinced that bullish market has started. The MACD looks very convincing. We are about to have a bullish crossover here as well. We have successfully made a double bottom on the RSI, and we are now pumping. There's a lot of room to grow here as well. So yes, it's looking great. Let's take a look at Dash USD first. Oops. Let's take a look at XLM BTC first before I move to Dash. This is the STR BTC ratio from the Poloniex. So you know, I made this chart back in October where I said that we may accumulate for 4-5 weeks here, and then we may see a breakout by the end of November or January 20 or December 2020, and looks like Stellar Lumens is going to do what I said. So Stellar Lumens, we are still not out. We are still below this resistance zone, and there's heavy resistance at around 642. So we must close above this, and then above this red line that you see here. Here you can see some extremely high resistance area, 750 sats. After that, there's not much. Once we are able to close above this red cloud, there's nothing stopping Stellar Lumens. There's very little resistance. It looks like the everyone who believes in Stellar Lumens has already sold, and we have hit rock bottom. and the holders which have been holding Stellar Lumens, they will be rewarded in a great manner because there's not much resistance at all. So if you hold Stellar Lumens, you are going to gain a lot in terms of BTC. Let's take a look at Dash now. So Dash USD pair, this is again from the Poloniex exchange. We just made a bullish crossover on the MACD, which is awesome. Gives us an idea where we are going, and we have just entered this cloud. Excellent. We must stay above this $84 range, and I think this is going to act as support now. And even if we go down to $84, I would just buy more because we are now going to pump again. And this is how I see this playing out, coming down and then breaking out. So next resistance is at around $122 or something. Yes, Dash is also going to become a 3-digit altcoin. After that, let's take a look at Dash Btc pair. So this Dash has been lagging a lot against Bitcoin, but I think its time has finally come. We have some resistance at 0.0065. After that, we have not much resistance between here and here. So next resistance at 0.009 and then at 0.01. So a lot of room to grow. All these coins which have been forgotten by the people, all these boring altcoins, as I said in the last video, they're going to surprise a lot of you. And many people will think that this is a suckers rally. It's going to dump again. Yes, there will be corrections. Be prepared for 30% correction. If you cannot handle these 30% corrections, just stop trading and just hold Bitcoin or Ethereum. And that's not a bad advice. Let's take a look at Ethereum Classic, another forgotten altcoin, because I think this is going to pump as a lot of DeFi projects are planning to move to Ethereum Classic, or they're at least trying to make a port for Ethereum Classic. So this is the Ethereum Classic ETH pair. Some people like to trade their Ethereum for Ethereum Classic to amplify their Ethereum holdings. I see some resistance at 0.022 sats, and of course at 0.013, which we just touched and got rejected. I think next week or so we will be able to close above this and then make almost 100% move to 0.02. So this is around 70% gain here, and after that we have some heavy resistance at 0.042, and that's a lot of money there's a lot of money to be made in altcoins now. That's nearly 200% profit. Let's take a look at Btc pair, because that's what most people trade the Ethereum Classic with. We have some resistance at around 0.00041, followed by 0.0054, and then some at 0.0093. This is the weekly chart of Ethereum Classic. I think this will catch everyone's attention very soon. It's going to make massive pumps. It is very easy to pump this coin because a lot of people have given up on it, and I still think Ethereum Classic is a great project. So yeah, that's all about. I'll be covering more altcoins in the next video or so. So make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want me to cover a particular major cap or a mid cap. Let me know in the comment section below, and I will be happy to cover it in my videos. And that's all. I don't need anything from you guys, just a like button would suffice. And that's all about it. Stay subscribed for more cryptocurrency and ICO news. And price announcements.